Hello everyone and welcome to a Che training video series. This is a 3-part video series, and in this first video you're going to learn how to log in and navigate the Che parent portal. In the next video we're going to go over how to add a new student and enroll them in a Che program. And lastly, in the final video we're going to look at how to re-enroll a student if you are a returning family. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is to navigate to an email you should have received from Che, and because I'm a returning parent, it's entitled Important Step-by-Step Re-Enrollment Instructions for Che Program. If you are a new parent, you'll find an email from Che telling you how to enroll for the first time. And so it lists these steps here, and in the first step, it says that we need to visit the parent portal, and it gives a link. So if we click on that link, it takes us to a login screen. Now, I want to make note here that if you can't find the emails that I mentioned previously, you can go ahead and go to the che.school website, and in the top right corner, you're going to see this button, Portal Login. If you click on that, it'll take you to this exact same login screen that we got from the email. So I'll just close one of these. And now if you have a Google account, a Gmail account, you can log in there, or you'll simply just put in your email address that you received that email at. And once you click continue with email, it's going to send another email with a code and a link. So we'll go back to the email and we'll search Che and refresh. There we go. So you can copy and paste this code, or you can just use this link here. You click this and it'll take you there. Either way is fine. I'm just going to click the link. And if you see this screen, congratulations, you've logged into the Che parent portal, which is really great. This is a one-stop shop for being able to find out information about your students, the programs that they're in, handbook and policies and things like that. So let's go ahead and talk about this portal. First up on this returning family screen, we're going to see instructions on how to re-enroll. We'll get to that in a little bit. Secondly, we have a students page. So if we click this tab, it gives us the list of students that I need to re-enroll. But if you are a new family, you're not going to see any of these, but you will see in the top right this Add New button, and we can add students there. We'll see what program and campus that they are enrolled in. And then this is the parent information. So this is my information, and then information if I put it in about my spouse. And it shows waivers there. Handbooks and policies is where I can find the Che handbook. And then it also has 2 tabs, contact us and message. And those are just ways that you can get a hold of us. If for whatever reason you're having trouble, you have questions, don't hesitate to use that. So next we're going to talk about updating our parent information. That is the first step either in enrollment or re-enrollment, is that we're to update parent information. And so we can click the Update User Info button, which if we scroll down, we see that information right there. So when we click this, because I am a returning parent, a lot of my information is already filled out. If you're a new parent, it might just have your name, maybe phone number and email. But go ahead and complete the rest of your information. And I just noticed that my wife wasn't listed here, so I'm going to input her information. Great. And an email address. And then it's asking, can we send you emails? This is required, so make sure you check yes or no on that. Same with text messages, and we press save. Excellent. So now our parent information is updated, but if you are new, you will probably see red X's here for these waivers. And so we have 3 waivers, a tech waiver, a liability waiver, and a handbook waiver. And this is really easy to sign. So you're just going to click the orange button. For each of these, the process is exactly the same. Please read the waiver in its entirety. And then you are going to sign your name by typing it. Click that you acknowledge. You're going to put your name in one more time, as well as your phone number. And then you're going to send a verification code. You're going to press that button, and have your cell phone ready because it's going to text you the number that you put in as your mobile number. And then it will also put a field that you can put the code in. And that way that kind of counts as your digital signature, so no one else can be signing for you. I've already signed it, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click back here. But you would just do that same process for the tech waiver, the liability waiver, and the acknowledge handbook waiver. And once you've done that, that is one of the most important steps in this whole process, is updating your parent information with whatever is current. And in the next video, we're going to look at how to add a new student and enroll your student into a CHE program.